Hello, I'm Shanene. Today I'm going to grow a delicious microgreen, pea shoots. Soak peas in tap water for 6 hours. The peas become about 3 times bigger. You can sow right away or pre-germinate them in a bowl by covering with a wet towel for 1 to 2 days. Line soil at least 1 inch on pot or tray. Spread peas. Do not overlay. Cover with 1/2 inch soil. Water thoroughly right after, then water slightly once a day. 4 days later. Seven days later. 8 days later. 11 days later. "13 days later." And enjoy your harvest. I would like to mention that I have tried to grow pea shoots with both soaked peas and non-soaked peas. They all worked well. If you liked today's video, please thumb up and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'm Shanene. See you next time.